Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our podcast, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Kadina Agustia.
My name is Aisyah Farhana.
Okay. Uh, Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important issue in contemporary education. Does online learning make students more isolated? Since the COVID-19 pandemic, online learning has become a dominant mode of education worldwide. Even after the pandemic, many institutions continue to implement hybrid or fully online system. Uh, while online learning provide flexibility and accessibility, concern have emerged regarding its impact on student social interaction and also emotional well-being. This issue is important because education not only academic achievement, it also improves social development, communication skill, collaboration, and sense of belonging. Therefore, we will explore whether online learning truly increases student isolation or whether the impact depends on other factors. In my view, online learning can contribute to student isolation. One of the main reasons is the reduction of direct face-to-face interaction. In traditional classrooms, students naturally engage in spontaneous conversation before and after class, participate in group and discussion, and build friendship through shared physical space. However, in online setting, interaction is often structured and limited to scheduled meeting. Uh, Many students turn off their camera and microphone when the online meetings, which is reduce social presence and emotional. As a result, students may feel disconnected their in, from their peers and interaction. This concern is supported by research by Elmer P. Valisok and Catherine Cito in 2024, published in the Philippine Social Science Journal, found that college students experience significant feeling of loneliness and social isolation during online distance learning. The study highlight the limited physical interaction and reduced social engagement were key contributing factor. Therefore, based on both observation and research evidence, online learning may increase students' sense of isolation, uh, particularly when social interaction is minimal. And how about you?
Okay, I understand your perspective and I agree that isolation can assure. However, I do not believe that online learning automatically makes students more isolated. First, online learning provide alternative form of communication. Communication. Student can practice in discussion forum, group chat, and collaborative platform. In some cases, students who are, say, an introvert feel more comfortable expressing their opinion in online environments compared compared to traditional classroom. Second, online learning expand opportunities for global interaction. Students can connect with peers from different city or even different countries. This can broaden social network beyond physical boundaries. In my opinion, isolate is not caused solely by the learning mode, but rather by how the course is designed. If lecture actively encourage interaction through breakout room, peer collaboration, and interactive activities, student student can still experience meaningful engagement.
I just this that your opinion is valid point. I agree that interactional design plays a significant role. However, virtual interactions still differ from physical presence and nonverbal communication, such as eye contact, gesture, and physic, facial facial expression is limited in online platform. These elements are essential for building deeper and emotional connection. Uh, Furthermore, prolonged screen time may lead to fatigue and reduced motivation, which can indirectly contribute to social withdrawal. Uh, Even though the technology enables communication and the quality of interaction may not always be may not always be equivalent to in-person experience. Therefore, the risk of isolation remains significant in if online learning is not carefully managed.
Okay, I agree that face-to-face interaction has unique advantage. Nevertheless, I believe the solution is not to avoid online learning, but to improve it. Edu- Educational institutions should develop strategy to and change social presences such as interactive discussion, collaborative projects, and virtual student communities and virtual student communities, providing access to counseling service and peer support system is also important. Um, in conclusion, online learning does not inherently create isolation. Inside, its social impact depends on implementation, student engagement, and institutional support.
To summarize our discussion, we examine whether online learning makes students more isolated. We identify that reduced face-to-face interaction and limited social presence may increase feeling of loneliness as supported by empirical research. Uh,
However, we also discuss that online learning offer new form of communication and global connectivity. The impact largely depends on course design, interaction strategy, and student participation.
Therefore, online learning is not inherently isolating.
It becomes isolating only when meaningful social interaction is lacking.
Thank you for listening to our discussion.
We hope this conversation encourages deeper reflection on how online learning environments can be improved to support both academic success and student social well-being.
That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.